Hello guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to add numbers uh, on in a column on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. To sum up all these numbers, uh, you should open your spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. Well, there is two methods to do so. The first one is by using a function that is called sum, and after that we will add the data, the range of data that we want to add up, or the numbers that we want to add, and then we will just click enter. As you can see, this is the sum of these numbers. Another way, by clicking by each uh, column or by each cell and adding it up manually this way, and just click in plus sign and add up the numbers uh, like this, and as you can see it is the same result. But obviously this method is more difficult and more complex. This one is using only one function or a formula that will helps too much. There is another one by just going to these presets functions, and we will click on here and we will click on sum, and it will add up or it will insert the formula that we did at the first method. It will do it automatically. All you have is to choose the range of data or to choose the column that you want to sum up, and we will click enter. And as you can see, the three methods have the same result, and you have the choice to apply or to use any method that you want. So those are the ways to add numbers on in a column on your spreadsheet. Thank you for watching and goodbye.